I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on calls, then you come to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, just keep going down here. You come here to identify here numbers on other apps. Click in this sign. You click here. You go here to settings. Click on it. So then you just switch into open with you. Then here you go down. You search for Truecaller here. You enable this sign. You click on allow. So then when you will go back, you will find it here. When you click here on calls here, then you go down, you will find it here. It's enabled with us on your Truecaller app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.